Arc is a brand new homepage. So when you arrive at TrustArc and you sign into your account, we want you to be able to have a quick bird's eye view of everything that you want to get done. Today, you're presented with a lot of information, which is great, but we want to declutter your life. I think there's one of the other theses that we've had along the way is privacy is hard enough. How do we simplify your life, but achieving power in that simplification, not limitation? So this is a brand new homepage that focuses on your day. And this really speaks to three different types of users. One, the TrustArc user that knows exactly what they want to get done. And in this case, if you know you're trying to achieve something, we have this great new command bar in the middle where you just tell TrustArc what you want to do. Arc is going to go out and help you navigate to the best place in order to get that work done. We also want to cater to the user who knows that they need to do some things, but they're not exactly sure what to type. So we've introduced these new quick actions that are going to guide you to things that you may want to get done as part of your privacy program in order to take it to the next level. And third, we just want to have a clean interface for those users who just want to discover more. We've got our navigation on the left, we have Ask Arc, which we'll talk a little bit about today. But overall, a clean experience designed to declutter, but also achieve focus for you to help manage your privacy program for your business better. We're introducing a new AI assistant that we call Ask Arc. So Val talked about the challenge when it comes to hiring people that are up to speed in privacy. Right, for hiring teams that have the proficiency to move your organization forward. And in a world of AI assistants, Ask Arc is the best one for privacy professionals. So it's actually designed by privacy professionals for privacy professionals. And it takes the power of Nimity, it takes the power of our knowledge team and infuses that throughout our software. So you get this personalized privacy intelligence that not only knows about Nimity, but also knows about your program. And we'll unpack this here in a little bit. But think about this as your new assistant to bounce ideas off of, get information out of, because it knows about the world, it knows about your business, and it knows how to deliver value because of those things. The new command bar experience is all about that simplicity of getting something done. And whether you're on our homepage where there's this brand new, very large, prominent bar right in the middle that you can just type in at any time, or whether it's above in each of our applications, because we're moving it to the top of every page. So if you want to get something done, you no longer have to go look for it. You just have to let us know what you want to do. This is going to be an action-powered search bar. So think about the experience on if you use a Mac computer. Right, if you hit Command Spacebar, it's going to pull up a typing interface that lets you tell it what to do. And that's largely the inspiration for how do we get the software out of the way and let you get more done. So if you want to say, I want to add a new vendor, Arc is going to come back and return things like opportunities to go ask Arc about, about best practices for adding vendors, perhaps maybe even checking if you already have a vendor you wanted to add, maybe a recommended action. So if you have a quick action aligned to creating a vendor, we're going to recommend that for you. If you want to browse relevant research about adding vendors, or maybe just using it as an application launcher to launch the right TrustArc application where you would go add that vendor today, all of that is part of this universal command bar. And we think it's going to be a really easy way for you to always have confidence in navigating to the right part of the application to get work done. Next up, I've alluded to quick actions a couple times here, but think about quick actions as those elements of your day that Eric referenced where you just want to get something done. And there's a pile of privacy things to do every day with new laws and regulations, with new things coming in, and Val referred to, look, all of this stuff is overwhelming, but there's still those day-to-day things I need to get done. And if I don't do them, then I'm putting my business at risk. So prioritizing those can be difficult, but especially prioritizing them when they take a long time. How would you expect to get this done is really the question that we've asked ourselves. And we think we've come up with some cool ways they're going to help you get a lot more done with TrustArc without having to go relearn the application or learn a new way of doing things. We want this to wrap around your day so you can save time and move on.